Hi, I'm Hannah from ShelterBox. I'm part of an assessment team here in northern Samar in the Philippines. We're responding to Typhoon Tisoy, which unfortunately struck the region at the beginning of December. We've been here for just over a week and have just started distributions to families who've unfortunately lost their homes due to this disaster. Items that we've been distributing include shelter kits, which contain items such as tarpaulins and tools so that people can begin to construct a temporary shelter, as well as other household items that they might need, such as solar lights as electricity is down, blankets because it is the colder months at the moment, and also mosquito nets because there have been cases of dengue. We've been working closely with Rotary Clubs from the area. Without them, we wouldn't have been able to connect with the people that we've needed to speak to, and they've even been helping out in distributions with us, which has been fantastic as part of our global partnership. As you are probably aware, it is the run-up to Christmas, so we're working hard to make sure that this response reaches as many families as we can before the festivities. As always, we couldn't do what we do without our wonderful supporters from around the world. So from ShelterBox to everyone watching, Merry Christmas.